What is the difference between an interpreter and a translator? Well, an interpreter is someone who converts spoken words from one language to another. A translator is someone who converts written words from one language to another. So the translator deals with written words, and the interpreter deals with spoken words. Very similar. It's just, a lot of people say translation or translator when someone's actually speaking the translation. It's okay to use that, but if you're gonna use the actual technical term, then a translator is when they're writing the translation, and the interpreter is someone who speaks the translation. Those are the official definitions of each one. Now for example, there might be a case where someone, they might know how to speak a foreign language, but they can't write the foreign language. If they only know how to speak it, then they could be an interpreter, but they can't be a translator. That's why there's two separate words. If someone can't write the foreign language, then they can't be a translator. So you don't want to use that word. That's all that means. Sometimes that's the case if, like, somebody moves to a new country and they're just learning the language. It's a lot easier to learn the speech than it is to learn the writing. So they distinguish them, interpreter, translator. Interpreters are people usually, they'll be the middle person between two people that speak two different languages, and they'll just verbally translate what each one is saying. See, I use the word translate when I talk about speech. It's natural. But the technical term is interpret. They interpret what each person says. So that's that. One more time: translation, converting written words from one language to another. Interpretation, interpreter, they convert spoken words from one language to another. All right? That's all there is to it. Subscribe.